guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. It's the first of the month, and you know what that means. We have a brand new box of the month. So for April, our theme is called Strawberry Goodness. We have a hop and giveaway going on. So use the hashtag N2S Strawberry Goodness to pop up all the videos in this hop. You'll hop from each video, leave a comment, like and subscribe, and at the end, you'll go to my Rafflecopter link to put your entry into the giveaway. That link is in the description box for you. And the last day to enter this giveaway is April 7th. We will post the winner on my YouTube community tab on April 8th. You can also check back with the Rafflecopter link. Click that and that will always show you who was the winner. So after you hop to each person, click on my Rafflecopter link. That will enter you into the giveaway. You can get some extra bonus entries in there. So what I want to do is open up what's in the kit, show you, and then I made a bunch of cards. So you'll get a yummy sucker, and then inside this package is a beautiful mix from Cat Scrappiness. This is shortcake sprinkles. It goes very nicely with this collection here, the Pink Berry Blast. So I've added it in the embellishment tray so you could kind of take a look at how cute that is. There's cute little strawberries in there. We have 3 stamp sets. We have this one here called Tea with Mom, and is super, super, super cute. I love the shabby chic look of this stamp set. So we've got some teacups, a teapot, some tea party little cakes, cupcakes, and macarons. The sentiments, you're terrific. So we have them so you can build them. We have you are, you could put so terrific, you could put you are so very sweet, and then you can add mom to the top of that if you want this for like a Mother's Day or something like that, or birthday for your mom. We've got this cute stamp set here called Berry Sweet. It's very cute and fresh. We'll make some nice whimsical cards. We've got the sentiments, you make me. You could put so very happy. You could put so very cute on your card. So very sweet. So really cute. And then this one is called Life is Sweet. And if you were subscribed to our previous boxes, this image goes very nicely with one of those stamp sets from our birthday box. And this is perfect to make some note cards with. The little sentiment reads, whipped cream solves everything, and life is sweeter with milkshakes. We have 2 6x6 paper pads. We've got Pink Berry Blast and So Refreshing. So I love how there's 2 different styles here. Nice fresh look and then a shabby chic kind of look. Really cute. So I'll go over the papers with you. And then the coordinating ephemeras. So very, very cute. Stick around, don't miss my cards. So let's talk about this yummy, delicious paper. It is called Pink Berry Blast. We have the coordinating ephemera for this. Now, Teresa Russell, who is Fresh and Renewed with Teresa here on YouTube, she designed this paper pad to have 2 designs of each. That way we get more of this beautiful strawberry goodness in this paper pad. And I just love these colors and images. They're so shabby chic, so pretty. I wouldn't blame you if you wanted to get an extra paper pad for your kit. I do have the paper pads and ephemera listed individually because I did have some leftovers. So if you wanted to grab some, those are also in the shop. I do have a few of the really cute stamp set with the 3 strawberry faces, and I do have a few of the milkshake stamp set. Those will also be listed in the description box. But look at these beautiful designs. Oh, I love the colors and that blue with the pink. It's so pretty. So that has got to be one of my favorite paper pads. Now I'm going to show what comes in the ephemera pack. So you get a lot of images, and these images are just so cute. Look at this girl. She is just so cute. We have a variety of skin tones and hair colors, and they make just a perfect focal point for your card. Teresa always includes some sentiments in your ephemera. So we've got that really cute one that says, "You're very special," with a nice strawberry in the center. We've got some cakes and some macarons. We've got a little like planner notebook with some strawberry hand cream. Looks like a caboodle over there. And then we've got a telephone, the super cute kitty, some bows, and those strawberries with the faces are really cute. That caboodle with the little milk and straw with a piece of cake. That's really cute. There's a jar of jam, a little teapot, and a little purse, some roses, a little mushroom with like strawberries as the little dots for the mushroom. A plant, a strawberry plant. Very cute. So let's share the So Refreshing paper pad. Now this one is more like fresh summery colors. Really great print here with the strawberry lemonade. And then we've got some faux glitter paper in here. So it looks like glitter, but it's not. And I love this pattern here. And lots of strawberries in this paper pad. The greens, the yellows, the light, like a peachy color, red, really like this really pretty blue. I love that. That one makes a great background. This is my favorite pattern from the set, these two. The just the pattern with all the strawberries on it. I love that. So now let's share the ephemera. So we got some great ephemera pieces in here. Some of the ephemera matches the stamp set, so she did include that. And there's lots of sentiments in here to use. And I love the fresh strawberries with the lemons. They look just so juicy and yummy. And so I'm going to just spread these all out for you to see. These will make some great summer cards. So this set will take you through spring, through summer. It's great. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and stick around because I'm going to share my cards next. I can't wait to see your cards. Tag me on Instagram with the hashtag #NotTooShabbyShop. I love seeing what you guys create with the boxes. Okay, so this one here is made with the cute strawberry stamp set. I love their cute faces. Very fresh looking. We've got that sentiment I put there, so very happy. And then I did put some glossy accents on these sunglasses, so I thought that was really fun. I did put the bow on this strawberry, and then this little shine star I added there. And then the background paper is from the So Refreshing paper pad. And then I used that LDRS die that cuts out the card base for you, which I love. I'll try to remember to link that in the description box for you. And then I cut in the center some squares using an MFT die, and I just love this simple layout. Here is a card using the cute little milkshake stamp set, and I just did some simple coloring. I added a shadow behind the jar there to kind of make it pop off the page, and I added the little strawberry and the little confettis onto my card for an added accent, and used the sentiment "whipped cream solves everything." And then look at that yummy background paper with all those strawberries. Here's a sneak peek of 2 pocket cards that I created. I will share in a video tomorrow. Here's another card using that cute stamp set. Berry sweet. And now this time I used that cute little drink, that strawberry drink, and I added the sentiment "You're Too Sweet." That's an ephemera piece that I just cut out and then made another flag with some pattern paper from the collection. And then this really pretty background is also in that collection, and that is from the So Refreshing paper pad. And then here is another card that I did with just the ephemera, and then the pattern papers from the So Refreshing collection. And then this little sentiment was inside the ephemera pack. Keep life zesty. That made for a quick and easy card. And then the next cards I've created using the Tea with Mom stamp set. So this is kind of like a set. I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 cards using that set, and I think they turned out really cute. All I did was use 3 panels of paper, and mostly they were scraps. So these came together really quickly. I added the colored images right on top of the second layered panel here. This one says, "Mom, you're terrific." We've got "You're so sweet." Added the little strawberry on the plate there. You're terrific. And then I added the spoon and the tea bag. And "You are so very sweet." And then I added a bunch of the strawberries with the cake. Love the pattern papers in that collection, and that is from the Pink Berry Blast collection. Just love it. To get 5% off the already discounted prices on this box, choose monthly at checkout. That will get you into the club, so you get a new box shipped to you every 30 days automatically. All the links will be in the description box for you. Don't forget to hop on over to the next person and leave a comment. Thank you so much for shopping and subscribing, and I will talk to you real soon in the next video. Bye guys!